Yes.
Oh, my red boy, my queen.
Good morning, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, so today I am out with my little family, me, Elias and Zach and my little sister. We're heading off to another province, which is basically like 2 hours away. It's called BOLU, just like 2 hours away from Istanbul. It is known for its nature, for like the lakes that it has, beautiful lakes. So we're just gonna go and we wanted to experience fall over there, like crispy weather, autumn leaves. Yeah, so right now we are headed there and I thought to bring you guys along. So far, looks like someone is enjoying his time of his life. Look at that. Current update, Zach is taking his afternoon nap in the back. We are just like 20 minutes kind of away from our destination. Oh my god, the waves, everything over here is just so pretty. Like I can see those fall trees and little tiny townhouses. The vibe is just so beautiful. Yeah, I kind of missed the road trips that we used to have because this summer we didn't go to any road tripping or anything like that. But this is totally worth it. It's just so beautiful. So we just happened to reach right now. Oh my god, the weather is so beautiful. And there are some people out there. I'm just gonna show you around. It's very beautiful.
Whoa.
What are those?
Right?
Are those horses?
Yeah.
Do you want to ride?
Mm.
Alright, so these two want to ride the white horse. They have horse riding over here. There they are, Elias and Zach. And here we are. We're walking behind the horse. So there's nothing much crazy going on. Yeah. It's like I'm in 90s movies.
I know, right?
And now it's my little sister's turn. She's going.
What?
Okay, so we are in this cute little cottage, kind of inspired mosque to pray our prayers. And since there's no one, I can show you the men's side. How beautiful is this place? Look at that. And the smell over here, just like wooden house smell. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Somebody's taking a picture here. There she is, taking his picture. And oh wow, it is very beautiful. We just came to grab lunch by the view, but obviously you have to like wait for the queue over here, so we're just waiting, but we're just starving, so let's just see, let's see. Alright, so we finally got our place. You know, just like I said before, there's a long queue that people actually wait to come and sit here by the view of the lake. Yeah, so we're just gonna order some food now because we're starving, definitely. So I ordered chicken schnitzel with just rice and chips besides. It just looks so tasty. It's also chicken as well. Then we have salads, seasonal salads, spaghetti bolognese, plus normal chicken as well, soup, and we just ordered some dessert. This is the pumpkin sweet. It's very famous over here, especially this is it's the season, and this is bread cake, kind of something like that, with tea. So if you have watched the Final Destination movie, we were literally behind this truck, so I was kind of getting that vibe. It was a very scary scene, but we just changed the lane because of my little phobia. Trust me, this looks a very scary film. Let me show you if I can just, yes, we were literally at the back of this. Oh, then I remembered the scenery of that movie. I was like, no, this is gotta be a joke. Oh my goodness, we have been stuck in this traffic for like 25 minutes. So we both have been reading this little navigation comments that people write over here that there's accident going on, when is it opening, people please try to understand and don't use the sideway please, kind of thing. So it was kind of funny, we both were reading that. And yeah, so the way seems to open up a little bit. This is kind of like a little turn off. I'm gonna show you how it looks. We're like at the middle of the way, and then there are like trucks everywhere. So this is not safe, you know, actually, for small cars. But it's, oh, I just saw the accident. Oh my god, and those are the police cars. Wait, let me flip the camera.